Welcome to our beauty salon, Super Troom. Betty can guess what the client wants just from one look. She's never wrong. Superheroes need to cut their hair too, and shave. That's why they have their own stylist. That's Spider Boy! Hi! Unbelievable! Spider Boy, it's your turn. And you pick a hairstyle. Thanks! It's all wrong. Let's polish you up. All done. Perfect! Thanks! What did you pick? I didn't like anything. Here! I want this hair. Sure! Put hair in a ponytail with 2 strands at the front. Put on a hair donut. Shape a neat bun. Fasten with hairpins. Add a mini superhero cape. Take a rectangular piece of fabric. Burn the edges. Fasten an elastic string at the top. Apply hot glue and wrap the fabric up. Put the string in a knot. Cut off the excess. Fasten the pin in the bun. Attach a printed Supergirl logo to cardboard. Cut it out along the outline. Glue on a hairpin. Done! I need to save the city! Thanks! I've always wanted hair like this! I hope I can be closer to my favorite superhero now! No. Good afternoon! I need your help! Do you do superhero hairstyles here? Yes! I need a hairstyle like that too, but a cooler one! Take a seat. Do you like this one? No. How about this? Definitely not. None of these. Wait! It reminds me of something! I know! Fasten a part of the hair like this. Leave a strand at the front and add a gold thread. Put a mini lasso of truth back. Clip in with wing hair accessories. Draw a wing on gold cardboard. Cut it out. Add cardboard feathers and glue on a comb clip. Make 2 wings. Whoa! Amazing! Even better than the real thing. It's like I have superpowers. Nice hair works wonders. Hi! I need your help. This hairstyle doesn't suit me at all. Let me look at you. What if we do this? One nice swirl will make you look absolutely different. Someone needs help. I need to hurry. I'll come get my glasses later. Oh man, he left without paying. I'm back. The super cape didn't save me. Whoa! This is awful. Stay calm. I'll do an even better hairstyle. Make a few zigzag French braids from the temple to the nape. Coat the part with gold powder. Curl hair on the other side. Fasten with a flash hair clip. Your hair is done! Cut a suitable circle out of glitter foam paper. Glue it in a hair clip. Cut a flash from gold cardboard. Glue it to the foam paper. Whoa! Now that's fast! I'm back! My hairstyle didn't survive the super speed! I can't meet Aquaboy like that! We're gonna figure something out! Aquaboy will definitely like this hairstyle! Add blue shade hair extensions and fasten them with a hair tie. Put one half in a bun and fasten it with a hair clip. And let the other one down so it looks like a wave. Then put in a mini trident. Wrap an aluminum wire around a wooden skewer. Shape a trident. Add volume with hot glue. Paint it gold. Whoa! Amazing! What? It's him! Here! Did you come? Oh, yeah! I've been looking for you! My trident! Finally! I got it back! What? How come? I'm so wet! Why did I even like him in the first place? That's superheroes for you! Let's go dry off! I'll beat you, villain! This is horrible! My life is over! We broke up! I never want to see him again! It's not the end of the world! It's gonna be fine! You'll see! You can start a new life right now! I'll cut this long hair off and do a great hairstyle! Here! It's done! Do you like it? Whoa! You're amazing! Thanks! For me, it's a lot! You deserve it! Hang on! This is you! What? She's a fraud! I love stories about symbiotes! Oh! Didn't see you there! Take a seat! Let's figure something out! Oh no! Ransom! Phew! I was just seeing things! I know a good hairstyle! Divide a ponytail into strands. Move some of them to the face. Fasten them with bobby pins. Glue a rhinestone to a bobby pin. Make a lot of them. Shape a smile with teeth. Make a long tongue out of a red hair extension. Fasten the strands on the forehead using hair gel. Add an eye hair clip. Draw an eye on parchment paper. Apply a layer of lotion. Cover it with hot glue. Let it harden. Attach it to a hair clip. Coat with pearly paint. Oh wow! It's a real symbiote! I'm glad you like it! Are you paying cash? I guess not! Help! Here's the money! You need it more! Oh! Uh-huh! Phew! But the money turned out to be fake. I had a horrible day! No one was looking at me! Hey, can you hear me? Oh! Absolutely no one notices me! Stop panicking! I know how to help you! Braid a strand of hair. Use a wire base. Do a symmetrical braid on the other side. Shape the braids into the bat signal. It's impossible to miss this hair! Here's a flashlight. You're gonna need it. Even Batboy is impressed. I'm done. You can go. What are they doing? Whoa! Troom keeps surprising me. I can't stop. Betty, what are you doing? Looks like this client will be surprised. Come on! Is it all about the mask? Ah! What have I done? How do I cover it up? I know! Try this on. It's a hot trend. You look good. Whoa! Great! And keep it on for a few weeks. Phew! Thank goodness I didn't get the ear. Good afternoon. Whoa! I need to shave to match my suit. Right on it! More shaving foam. Remove the extra. Here you go! Done! This mustache matches this bow tie perfectly. Whoa! That's impressive! See you next time, Bat Boy! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what hairstyle you liked most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.